So I'm Dr. Rekha Khale and I'll be talking to you about chakra astrology today. Chakra astrology is a unique and simple way to understand and interpret the complicated looking birth chart. We all know about birth chart. We all know about sun signs. We all have also heard about chakras. And of course, we talk about planets, but we do not know, we do not actually know the interpretation or interrelation between chakras and the houses in your birth chart. The way in which people describe the birth chart, people predict, people use astrology, and people tell you about astrology. It seems to be quite complicated, isn't it? And more so, half of the things go right above your head. You don't understand them because we actually do not know and we cannot relate with the things. We also feel that astrology is used for predicting the future. But unfortunately, let me tell you, astrology is not used for predicting the future. Astrology actually tells you what had happened with you in your immediate past life when you were of a specific age. So it is just reading the past. It's not telling you the future, but yes, because most of the times, future is just a repetition of the past. Because we say that we learn from our experiences. So naturally, whatever happens to us in the future is likely to be a repetition of the past. And 99% cases, the same thing happens. That is why people think that astrology means predicting the future. It is not predicting of the future. And another thing, let me tell you, when we'll be doing this chakra astrology thing, the best thing is here, you will be learning as to how we think, why we think in a particular way, why we behave in a particular way, why things happen in a specific manner in our life, and what we can do to change that pattern. So every one of us has a specific pattern of events in life, and we understand that as we interpret our birth chart in the chakra manner. And that is really eye-opening. And of course, it is very simple to understand. It is not as complicated as generally the astrology appears to be. Because half of the times, whatever the astrologer tells, a common man does not understand. But yes, the common man does get intimidated by whatever is being spoken, whatever is being told, and as a result, a common man just keeps on following whatever the astrologer tells. Astrologer tells you have to do a certain puja, yes, you do it. You have to do a certain havan, yes, you do it. You have to wear a specific gem, you do it. Why? You trust the person. But beyond that, you know nothing. Whereas if you learn chakra astrology, you will know why to do, how to do a certain thing, and what is the reason behind it, and how you can create your own remedy to correct your own life. Isn't it powerful? And yes, one more thing, let me tell you. It's not necessary to have any kind of a spiritual background to learn chakra astrology. It's not necessary to have any spiritual inclination to learn chakra astrology, because when we talk about chakra, people think of yoga and stuff like that. So it's not required. It's not necessary that you should be believing in certain things. It's not necessary that you should be following a certain religion. No, It is not required. This is a clear, pure science. I will ask you one thing. Do you need any spiritual background? Do you need any religious background? Do you need any belief pattern in order to learn that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4? No, it is just a simple mathematics, isn't it? Do you need any belief pattern? Do you need any religion to know how to drink water from the glass of water that is in front of you? Certainly not. It is something which is natural. And please understand, chakra astrology is also equally natural, equally simple, and equally easy. Okay? So, after listening to this, if you feel that you should know more about chakra astrology, do feel free to contact me. My number is 98200444254. My name is Dr. Rekha Kale. And yes, if you search anywhere on Google, Dr. Rekha Kale, you will be able to reach up to my phone number or to my email ID. Okay? So bye and think over. And yes, I will also say once again that improving one's own life is the birthright of every individual. So do not hesitate in using that birthright of yours. And to use that birthright appropriately, knowledge of chakra astrology is a must. Okay? So just think over. Bye.